Girl, Octavia, you're living life.
Dude, I'm living life? This is a snapback that comes with your room. No. That's so fancy.
Your keys, when you go inside, there's a slot on the wall. You have to insert your keys and your light will generate.
Oh, thank you so much.
6, 7.
Get me on.
No, we're 24-hour desk, so.
Ooh, time to get lit.
He's there to stuff your foolish law.
Chimney, new government, give thanks. Sing it. You know, every day, realest thing here in our world, brother. We give thanks.
This is a room tour. What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Hazel back in the building. How are you feeling today?
We going to party tonight, yeah. We going to party tonight, yeah.
Alright, so we're at the Shotel in Montego Bay, Jamaica. And I was just like, okay, I'm gonna give y'all a little room tour or whatever. You know what I'm saying? So first they give you this little key card. You know what I'm saying? And the key card comes with 2 keys or whatever. So now I'm gonna show you the room. Okay, I'm gonna show you the view first. This is the strip. This is called Bottom Road, Anting Jimmy Cliff Boulevard. So now we're gonna go to the room. This picture frame, cute. The door's already open, so come in. Okay, so yeah, so this is the room. It's nice and big. The bed is, whoo baby, whoo baby, baby. Let me bring you outside to the view, and then you got this little chair or whatever. Oh, it spins. Oh yeah, this chair spins. Okay, and then you got this. This is cute. Come a little closer. This got an alarm. You know what I'm saying? It's an alarm. This is an alarm. It's an alarm. You got plugs, outlets. You can turn it up or down. This fire. You know what I'm saying? And then we come out here, and this is the beautiful view. It's so gorgeous. Probably just want to relax, you know what I'm saying? Chill out or whatever. Right here. And then if you look up here, there's an infinity pool. You know what I'm saying? And they said that the pool doesn't have a cutoff time, so that's good. Come back into the room. I already know. What is this? It's the fan. It's the light. Look at dimmy. Okay, look at that.
I tell you, you look like you never checked come out of place before.
Alright, so that. This is the balcony door open. It's telling you what's going on. Right now it's 72 degrees. I don't know how to work that, so I'm gonna leave it alone. You got your little coffee water setting right here. So you got this long mirror right here. Cause, oh, you see that butt move? Okay, see that? Look. Alright. Oh, look cute. Okay. Oh. Alright, and then you got this tub. Oh my god, it's so deep. And I'm tall as I'm 5'9".
Yeah, I would get lost in that.
I could really sleep right here. You bet not. Oh, and they got a little. Oh, real fancy.
I've never been to a hotel in Jamaica, and I'm glad this is my first experience.
Oh my gosh, I just dirtied up the pool.
The pool.
It feel like a pool. Then you got your double sinks in here. Your complimentary Baileys. A Baileys this? Oh no, it's not Baileys.
Why would they have Baileys in the bathroom?
I don't know. It's shaped like a Baileys bottle.
Yeah.
Alcoholic right over here. But body lotion, shower gel, conditioner, shampoo, and all of that. All of this, I don't know what this is. I don't know if that's a nightlight or whatever. This is so lit like this right here alone. I'm gonna take so many pictures in the shower. You know what I'm saying?
Like, who's gonna sleep if they're at this hotel? I'm too busy doing stuff.
And you can take your shower. I'm gonna show you how the shower works. I don't know how it works, so I'm gonna be careful. Okay, so that's not it. Wait, I'm not doing something right.
Push in and push out. Wait. Oh snap! Okay.
Wait a minute.
That one
That one over there. It's supposed to rainfall like that one, right?
is only
Okay,
coming
it's
out of
not-
one
it's only
side.
coming on like the side, right? Oh, be careful, that one. Oh, this is the toilet. I was just about to ask what the toilet was.
I'm like, wow, like y'all don't do this.
Thank you guys so much for watching that video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to follow your girl Hazel at black.roses on Instagram, and all my other social media platforms will be down below. You know, go ahead and like this video, comment, subscribe, and tell me when you coming to Jamaica, because your girl got you. Yeah, man. Oh, perfect. Perfect. Okay, yeah. So there's something wrong with our shower thing, but they were quick. They're very quick. So great service, y'all. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Look, my name is on the table. Welcome, Horatio Williams. If y'all ain't know my real name, that's my real name. So y'all don't be stalking me. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, so I'm all changed out and everything. Pew! See my bathing suit, like. Damn, look at the fuck. Icon swimwear.